If you are new, make sure you subscribe. That way you don't miss out on it. Why is it already about to die? Wow. I don't even think I used it at all. This is crazy. I'm so mad. I'm gonna just go until it cuts off. Hi you guys, welcome back to the video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV.
Period.
I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, probably about a week, which is really not that long ago. But you guys really enjoyed my my most recent vlog video that I posted titled How It Started, How It's Going. So I decided to go ahead and post another vlog video, and this is gonna be how I do my barrel twists. This is my first time. This is my second time doing it. The first time I did it, it only took me 10 minutes. So it's super easy. Anybody can do it. There's different ways to do it, but I'm gonna show you the best way that works for me. If you've seen at least 3 videos, you know, you might as well go ahead and push the subscribe button. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. And I wanna say thank you to all my new subscribers that have subscribed in the month of January. I have gained at least 30 subscribers since the new year has started. I just wanna say thank you so much. Thank you. And just to remind you guys, I am doing a giveaway once I get to 500 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Get into the video. So of course you want to take the bonnet off your head. Okay, the sun coming out. The sun coming out. Do y'all see that? The sun's coming out. It's been so gloomy here. I'm in Georgia, y'all. My scarf. We're gonna take everything out. I have a fresh retwist. I retwisted my hair about I want to say a week and a half ago. So we're gonna split down the middle. I'm looking over to the side because there's a mirror to the side of me. Right now I don't have a mirror. I'm just using the camera's viewfinder to see myself. So we're gonna split it down the middle as much as we can. As you know, I am previously freeformed, and I am semi still freeform. If you look at some of my ends on my hair, you know, this is mild compared to some of the other ones. So then what we're gonna do is you're gonna take the first strand here and you're gonna basically like pull it as if you're going to do a cornrow. But instead of doing a cornrow, you're gonna take the strand and wrap it around it, the first strand. Oh, you wanna have at least 2 hair ties. That's what I use. It doesn't really matter what size they are, but mine are definitely not the same size. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one side, put it around ponytail. Just gonna wrap the hair around, not many times, as much as you need to. My hair is pretty long, so I'm not gonna wrap the entire area. And you're gonna grab another section, and I like to wrap in the same direction because it just makes it easier for me. So yeah, you want to take, I redid it. So you want to take the hair tie and wrap it around the end. Once you get to around mid-ear or to the bottom of your earlobe, and just tuck that thing in there. Tuck it in. Wrap it up. And so it might not come out perfect depending on how often you've done it. Like I said, this is only my second attempt at doing this style. And if you have anything sticking out, just like normal with any flyaways, just tuck it in. Definitely easier doing this style when my hair is wet because it just feels more heavy and it's just easier to manipulate when it's more damp than when it's dry. Plus it looks better because when it's freshly twisted, of course it's gonna look better. But this is the final result on this side. And you just want to kind of just practice with it. The reason why it's called a barrel twist because you can see it like turn into like a barrel type of a style instead of just being cornrows or just being flat twist. So you want to tuck it any flyaways. My hair is not all one length, and all my locks are not even. They're not the same shape because I am a freeformer, post freeformer, I guess you would say. Previously I was freeforming my hair, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. And what you have to be careful with when it comes to this is just making sure that the hump part, like the part where it gets thick, is the same. Because it's gonna look crazy if you have your the barrel starting here on this side and then starting in the back of your head, it's gonna look odd. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and we're gonna make sure we have our second hand hair tie ready to go. So again, we're gonna take the piece right here, we're gonna pull it towards the back of the head and just kind of start grabbing the locks on the side and just twisting it around. See, it's about in the same area. Instead of using this tiny screen that I'm using, I don't have my own setup of what I would like to have because I'm not in my own home yet. But don't worry, the day will come. The day will come. This side might actually come out a little bit better. And also, this side of my head has bigger and thicker locks. So this is going to look bigger naturally. And again, you want to stop at the bottom of the lobe, the earlobe, or mid-earlobe, and just, yep, and just tie it. And then you want to tuck in any of the pieces that will tuck in. If they won't, if they stubborn, we're going to force them. And then once you are able to maneuver the pieces inside of the locks, see how thick that is? Like, that's one of the ones that my loctician actually joined together. So that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, one side is gonna be natural thicker than the other because my locks are not the same side. Oh, I left that little piece. I can fix that easily. Just wrap it around.